And the other research tool I want to show you here is the stocks screener. Now, individual stock investing is really not recommended for the majority of people out there. Long-term investing in index funds or ETFs, for example, is what most people should be looking to do. But that being said, I still want to show you how these tools work in case you are looking to own any individual stocks in your portfolio. After clicking on stocks, it brings you to this page here, which is going to show you the top rated stocks within each sector. For example, it's going to show you the largest trades in terms of orders placed by Fidelity customers. So this can be good for a high-level overview. For example, if you're looking for communication services related stocks, the top symbol there is Verizon, or some of these other options here for real estate, utilities, information technologies, etc. But let's say, for example, you are looking for companies that are reporting earnings soon. You can click here, and this is going to give you a list of companies that are all expected to be reporting earnings soon. Now, it's not recommended to trade stocks around earnings, but again, this is where you would find that. You can also find companies with upcoming dividend payments by clicking on this, and this is going to show you companies that have stock splits that are planned out in the foreseeable future. But what I want to show you now is the actual screener tool for stocks. So if you click on screener tools and click on start a stock screen, this will bring you to a different page here, which is going to activate the stock screener. So this is going to show you where you can look at themes, for example, which is going to be managed strategies from Fidelity experts, or you can click here on strategies and you can pick different strategies. For example, popular, growth and value, technical, income, etc. But if you wanted to just look at particular stocks, for example, and not strategies, you would then click over here and you can choose different selections. For example, market capitalization. Let's say you were only interested in mega cap stocks. If you check that box, it's going to narrow you down now to just the 29 companies that are worth 315 billion and above. From here, if you wanted to add additional criteria, for example, if we look here at dividends, let's say you're looking for stocks based on dividend yield, you can click here and say that you're looking for mega cap companies with a medium dividend yield in excess of basically 2.25%. This now gives you a list of those specific stocks that are both large cap and have a dividend yield in that set range. So this can be great for just getting ideas for different investments, and you can play around with all of these tools with any type of Fidelity account that you have.